Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add Google Map to your WordPress website. After watching this tutorial, you can add Google Map on your blog post or contact page. Right now, I am on my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. I am clicking Add New Plugin. After that, search here with Kadence. This is the Kadence blog plugin, which name is Gutenberg blog with AI by Kadence WP page builder features. This plugin I already installed and activated. Firstly, you need to install this plugin and activate this plugin. After that, I am going to my all post section. Here I want to add Google Map on this blog post. I am opening this blog post. Bottom of this blog post, I want to add Google Map. I am giving here enter. After that, I am clicking on this plus add blog icon. After that, I am searching here Google Map. This is the Google Map block which is coming from the Kadence block plugin. I am selecting this Google Map and you see it's automatically displaying the Google Map. If you wish, you can add your expected place on this Google Map. Just search here with location. For example, I want to add New York. It's displaying New York. Next option is zoom. By default it's 11, but if you wish you can make it 5, then it will less zoom. And if you want to make more zoom, more bigger, then you can input here like 20. It's more. By dragging this button you can make it zoom in, zoom out as per your expectation. You can display. Next option is map type. Right now it's road map. If you wish, you can make it satellite view. If I select satellite, then it will display like satellite. Next is map filter. Right now it's none. If you wish, you can make it grayscale, invert, or this one, or this one. I think roadmap is perfect, so I'm making it again roadmap. And map filter I am giving none. That one is better. Next settings is style settings. If I come to the style, there has two options. I can customize the height and width. By default it's 450, but if you want to change it, you can do it as per your wish. And next option is advanced. If I click on advanced, here you can add padding, margin, top, right, bottom, left, anywhere wish you can add. And next option is advanced. You can add additional CSS class name here and you can make it more customization by using this additional CSS option. I believe after watching this tutorial you can easily add Google Map on your WordPress website. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.